Hello, this is Patrick from Ross Video, and I'd like to give you a quick tour of the production control under the Playout tab on Trackless Studio. First, you'll have two scenes. Each scene, labeled Scene 1 and Scene 2, is directly related to scenes in your XPression project, also named Scene 1 and Scene 2. For each scene, there can be 10 presets. Thumbnails will be displayed in presets that have been stored in your configuration settings. These also get stored when you save the file for your configuration for Trackless Studio. The bottom half of the display shows camera control options and scene transition controls. The first section we will discuss is camera movement. The camera movement allows for creating animated movement from one preset to another preset in the same scene. The scene transition section allows you to control and define the type of transition when going from one scene to the other scene or back. And the last section is manual camera control. Manual camera control is just that. It allows you to control the cameras. There are arrow keys that you can use to move the camera, and also shortcut keys to adjust the camera position. These can be enabled or disabled in the user interface. Also, there's the ability to directly control the movement forward and back or left and right of the physical camera, as well as pedestal up and down, and tilting and panning the camera in the user interface by clicking on the buttons.